Here's one thing about YouTube, Michael. At least in my terms, you always gotta record your mishaps. Oh my heel, puppy heel! We're cracking this bad boy open and giving her the good stuff to drop in the Forester, right, Michael?
What else to do in quarantine? Is that it?
Yeah, exactly.
I don't always want to do.
What a time to be alive. So we're ripping this thing out of here, taking it to his brother's house, and time-lapsing all the good stuff. Well,
Hey,
let's
actually get to see my garage now.
Yeah, right? We're doing the exact opposite of quarantining. Going to other people's garages. Well, let's do it. Just dropping a little goop. Oh, it's got a little pairing, little fill, little, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you already put it on there?
Yeah, that was my first mount.
That's mine, bro. That was on my Jetta. So, Michael, this shelf of goodies is all for your stuff, right?
Yeah, that's all for this motor right here.
A whole reseal kit, ARP stuff, Mitsumoto, sushi shop goodies. So he's got good stuff. Here, hold that for me. Thanks. And then oil pump, and then ARP goodies. So
Head studs.
hello.
Hello.
So this is a 207.
Yeah.
And what's
The version 9 207.
which is going in the not in Justin, but the Forester.
Going right in me all the way.
So I'll assist / watch. The clip's on there, so you won't be able to turn it. Or yeah. Dude, this thing's fucking clean. I mean, you gotta take off your tires to do spark plugs, but she's nice. And you said the turbo's a twin scroll?
Yep. Twin scroll.
I'm like asking you questions while you fucking struggle with an engine. So, another rebuild. Oh, this is this is a rebuild. His engine's pretty healthy. So, what's your opinion, dude?
I'm busy working. Leave me alone.
He doesn't speak English. He's a weird guy, but he's cool hanging out with. So,
It's already got a leak.
Subaru. Do you really have to take your tires off to do your spark plugs?
Never done my spark plugs.
Oh God. And you're taking an engine apart?
What am I doing?
I know, right?
These things that to do a head gasket, you gotta pull the engine out.
I would assume so.
Like,
What's your opinion?
huh?
Buddy old pal?
No, I have no. Huh?
What's your opinion?
How gay you are? No, like
100%.
This was kind of last minute.
169%.
Like that, buddy. Oh, you're cheating. You're pushing down and you're fucking doing it.
Oh my God!
See,
Now, okay, now we gotta be, big dick swinging. Let's try this.
Oh, hello.
Put it somewhere else. Show off. I loosened it.
Oh, that thing's spinning. Oh, you fucked.
Told you I loosened it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I felt it loosen.
Yeah.
There we go.
Fucking.
Spun rods for days. I can't say that around Bubba.
You're really working on that because of a spun rod, Larry.
What?
Yeah.
What? Oh, fuck yeah.
There we go.
Oh, girdles for days. I can't see that. So it's a couple days later. Nothing's really changed other than a couple wire wheel passes on the block. What's the plan for today? Just clean it up more. Take the heads off maybe.
Take off the timing assembly, take off the cans, take off the heads. And then pull the heads off.
Nice. Where are the spark plugs at? Right here. Need a replacement. But you said they. Where'd you buy it from again?
What?
The block?
J-spec auto?
J-spec, and they 180 compression tests on all four. Nice. So far, so good. You got a present there for me?
Oh yeah.
It'll fit on my Jetta. Oh man, this piece looks to the OG hone on this bad boy. Can I have that?
Huh?
Can I have that?
Yeah, here you go.
Oh, yes. It'll fit on a Jetta. I just need two more.
Actually, let's see how it compares to our EJ207 head gasket kit.
Looking for a flip. Alright, looks rather
Oh, pretty good.
nice.
At least they use the same big guy.
That's a 2-layer too, right?
Yeah, this one's a 3-layer.
Oh,
this
nice.
one's a 3-layer.
Is it?
Yep.
Nice.
They're good from OEMs like the EVO 9 head gasket.
Yeah.
There's no point in really getting an aftermarket one unless you're doing
Race car
all
stuff.
the horsepower.
Yeah.
Crazy stuff.
Like the stock head gasket will hold 600 horsepower.
Yeah.
I think Richie still uses the stock head gasket.
Yeah, he does.
The Subarus don't hold head gaskets for anything on the planet.
Well, it's,
But that's this guy's fault. Yeah, it's right there.
That number,
Yeah.
that number 4.
Number 4. Oh no, sorry, excuse me. This right here.
The back one.
The coolant has nowhere to go.
So can you explain that to the people who don't know when it comes to that water jacket and that cylinder?
So the cylinder 4
it's a dead end. in
is
the
a
water
dead
system.
end for the coolant system. So cylinder 4 gets really, really hot.
Mm.
That allows you to tap into that water jacket, plumb it into your heater core return, and it evens out
Yeah, so it's full.
the heat disbursement in
Yeah,
the engine.
so it's a full cycle with the coolant.
Man,
Nice.
Ford-
These engines are great as long as they can cool.
Laughs and head gasket.
Well, it's like so all the head gasket issues are because these things are a giant heat sink.
Yeah.
The whole Subaru engine bay is a heat sink.
Yeah. And especially in this Vegas heat, that doesn't add any help to anything.
If 2020 was an engine.
Awesome. Time for the other side. What's going on?
So this is called a
Open deck?
No, this is a semi-closed deck.
Why? Because it has these.
It has these bridges. So Subaru engines OEM, they came 3 configurations. They came closed deck, open deck, and
And
semi-open
semi?
deck. The only closed deck engines were the 2.2 liters, weren't they? Or some of the other 2-liter.
This is my first time doing this to a Subaru.
I know.
So only a very rare handful came OEM with a closed deck
yeah.
case. So
Are you saying semi because these things don't go all the way down?
no, it's because on an open deck on a WRX engine, these are open. These bridges are not there. So, and what a lot of companies do is they'll actually mill out these holes a little bit. all
And
these
throw
water
that
jackets.
billet aluminum piece
They'll
in there.
drop billet
Yeah.
sleeve inserts in there, and then they got to drill it out for head studs
Yeah.
and whatnot. And
That's a help, but that's for higher horsepower applications. This thing's just going stock.
yeah, it's stuck.
If I had the money, that would happen to this.
Nice, dude. And that's all carbon, bro.
Yeah. We probably should just clean it up with a little home.
No, shit.
Yeah, look, you still see the crossfit. Just WD-40 in a rag. Fuck yeah, dude.
But I mean, we could drop the cylinders down, just spray it with WD-40, and just give it a home, clean it up.
I don't know how to open this fucking light.
One.
I don't want that. I don't want to do
Help me.
anything with short block besides clean it.
Well, that's all we would be doing is cleaning the cylinder.
Oh, I'm just a pussy. This fucking light is brighter than my future.
Poor guy, you just made me sad.
Real good.
Are you happy with your internals?
Yeah.
Really nice. Bro, you're about to go ape shit cleaning this engine.
Oh yeah. Let's pull it out.
Bye, old friend. Give her a nice little.
I haven't even looked at the valves.
Damn, those some big boy valves, dude.
Mm-hmm.
That thing's like the Hoover Dam with all that turbulence going through them bad boys, dude. Time lapse. Alright guys, so this engine looks fresh off the freaking showroom floor, dude. Upon further diagnosis, everything seems to be fine. Now it's just a matter of ordering the few more seals that you don't have, correct, Michael?
Yep.
And then you said you're gonna buy different valve seats? Or valve seats?
What?
The valve?
No, Justin wanted to do the valve stem seals.
No, valve stem seats.
I don't want to take the heads apart.
Oh, that's right. So you're not even gonna bother, huh?
Nope.
Oh. Alright guys, well at least this is for the good for the disassembly part, so up next, assembly time. Peace. Yeah, it was that turn.